Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking a quick video tour of our Hyundai Santa Fe. So this is our 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe CDX. It's a 2.2 diesel with an automatic gearbox, 4x4, 7-seater. It's covered just over 79,000 miles and it's also got a whopping 13 service stamps in the book. Whilst on our car, we've given it a fresh MOT, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, given it a service and replaced the cambelt and water pump. Inside, got full leather seats, heated in the front with electrical driver's seat, cruise control, steering wheel controls, AM/FM radio with CD player and cassette player, air conditioning, electric windows all round with privacy glass in the rear. Really good amount of legroom in the back. Really big boot too. You've obviously got the two seats just here and here to make it a 7-seater. So nice and practical if you need to move a lot of people or put something big in your boot. So all in all, a really nice, well looked after motor. Low mileage for the year, it is 13 years old, so you do have the odd little bit, the odd mark on the bodywork, but that is to be expected with an older car. General wear and tear we'd put it down to. But all in all, a really nice motor. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.